All right, we're back. What I'm gonna have to do is, I don't have a choice. I've got to take this off because my brush won't go down and come back up to get into this duct. So, pull this out. Okay. Now, look at that. The door doesn't even function. It's hard to do with one hand, but see that damper door? Not even functioning, guys. All right, so we'll deal with that. But now we can actually clean out the vent. All right, so right there, we've hit the elbow where it goes from horizontal, 90 degrees up, comes up through the floor. All right, so as you can see, I can't see, but as you can see, there's a bunch in here. And then if you get over to this, holy mackerel. All right, guys, the moral of the story is, when you have a nice bed in front of your home, you know, they come and they put the pine straw down, all that good stuff. Make sure they're not covering up the foundation wells. Those wells are there for a reason, okay? They're a reason. I got some work to do. See ya.